How to register and log in. After the app is started, you can see that the titles of the previous 5 lessons are in red, and the rest is gray. Any user can experience the content of these 5 lessons free of charge without registration. Lesson 1 to 4 are for learning. Lesson 5 is for revision. Click the setting button in the upper right corner to select register, or the gray lessons on the homepage can also enter the registration page. On the registration page, the app will automatically display interfaces in different languages according to the language of your mobile phone system. If the language you use has not been provided, English will be displayed by default. First, enter the username. You can enter it at will. You don't need to worry about the duplicated names. You can change it at any time later. Then enter the email address. Click a code button to get the verification code, and the code will be sent to you by email. Usually this email will be in spam, and the system will not automatically prompt you, so you need to check it manually. Then enter the 6-digit verification code you received in the email. If a trainer or school gives you a recommended code, enter it. If not, you can ignore this. Click Agree to our terms and services, and the registration is completed. Generally, when you complete the registration, the app will save your login account and password, and will automatically log in each time you start. But when you log out manually, or to log into another device, you need to enter your registered email address and password. Check here to save your password, and you'll be logged in automatically every time. If you don't, you'll be required to enter the password every time you start the app. Note that a user can only log in on one device at a time, and the previous used device will be locked out. If you forgot your password, you can go to this page, input your registered email, and click the Get Code button. And after receiving the code, you can set up a new password. Open the Setup menu on the home page. Scroll to the bottom. You can see the Logout button. Click to exit the current account, and you can use another account to log in.